Okay, so we have 5 big panels, 5 feet wide. I need to put my metal track in. I need to put my metal track in somewhere that makes sense. Probably here kind of makes sense. Hold on, maybe we could see it better over here where there's not so much of a... I need to put my metal in, and I would cut this all off. This way there's that much less to paint and prep and everything. I would cut it off here. Cut it off there. Cut it off there. 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 Cut all of that off. Now we got a nice big square, high visibility, big square panel, and there's much less painting prep to do because all of this stuff is going to be a mess to prepare. Just delete all of this. Delete all of this trim work and have big panels. If you really, really, really had to have something across, you could put a new one in, a cross member at a different height. Like put this wood back in again, just one piece straight across of brand new lumber, so you don't have to prep all of that stuff. The frame itself looks pretty solid. I would use the existing frame and cut all the interior mess out. I mean, I can do this stuff. It's what we do. And put my metal in and let the painter go wild and do his thing. Okay. That's the thing to do. I would ditch all of this because it's going to be a ton of work making all of this look pretty. And from my standpoint, that stuff just takes up all the view. Who wants to look at moldings? Nobody. The whole idea is so that you could see. Imagine just you come out here and there's just a big panel that's basically invisible. Not invisible, but looks good. This door can be saved. Same thing here. I think I'd leave this one. Leave the center bracing. Cut this mess out. Cut that mess out. Prep this. This door still seems pretty solid. It just needs a good grinding and sanding and painting. Alright, that's the idea. But the main thing is, I just need a place to put my track and then put my screen. The less number of panels you do and the bigger that you do, the better value that you get. Because cutting and making a whole bunch of frames to fill all of these little spots would be very expensive.